Having your business data safely stored and operated is one of the best things you need to set up for your business. QuickBooks Hosting lets you access your QuickBooks software from a cloud server, which allows you to log in to your remote desktop from anywhere, access your data, and use the software just like you would from a local desktop. In today's video, we'll talk about the 5 best QuickBooks hosting providers that ease the process for your business. So let's begin. Ace Cloud Hosting. Ace Cloud is an officially authorized QuickBooks hosting service that does almost everything better than the competition. It covers every single QuickBooks plan out there, whether it's Pro, Premier, or Enterprise. With Ace Cloud, you get features like an Intuit authorized commercial hosting provider, shared hosting, dedicated hosting, VDI solutions, remote desktop services, application, virtualization, full service bookkeeping, payroll, tax preparation, and tax planning. Overall, there isn't a more comprehensive hosting provider out there than Ace Cloud when it comes to QuickBooks at least. It's also relatively cheap, starting at $40.25 per user per month. There are cheaper alternatives, but they're not nearly as good. The main downside, however, is that there's no money-back guarantee, unlike some of the other options on our list. Still, it's our top pick for today. I'll mention quickly that there are links in the description to all of the QuickBooks hosting providers mentioned in this video. They are affiliate links, which means you will get the best possible price, and we may make a commission as well. Smart business owners know they need to act quickly if they want to grow their businesses, so definitely check out those links right away. Next up, apps for rent. While Ace Cloud may be cheap, if you really want the cheapest hosting provider out there while also getting a good bang for your buck, then Apps for Rent is definitely a top choice. It's very versatile in its own right, providing features like QuickBooks Cloud Hosting, SharePoint Hosting, Virtual Desktop, MS Project Server, Office 365 Hosting, and Microsoft Azure Services. App hosting for QuickBooks also comes at no additional cost. Apps for Rent starts at $29.95 per user per month with a 15-day money-back guarantee, although dedicated plans can be as expensive as $80. Another major downside is that there's no free trial, and there's very little industry selection. Right Networks. If seamlessness is what you're looking for, then Right Networks is it. With this hosting provider, you can buy hosting directly at Intuit. You also get additional features like tax application hosting, firm IT outsourcing, and productivity application hosting. Data is automatically backed up every 90 days, which isn't great, but you can still manually do that. It starts at $62.99 per user per month, and that's also the main downside. It's pretty expensive. Additionally, there's no free trial available for this. Cetrom. Cetrom is sort of like an all-in-one accounting hosting provider. It has the ability to host QuickBooks and practically every other accounting software out there. You can expect many of the same features as some of the others on our list, but it won't have any features that are specifically designed for QuickBooks. Cetrom is not transparent about its pricing, so you'll have to get a quote on that yourself. MyVao. If you don't already have a QuickBooks desktop license, then MyVao might be the only hosting provider you need to try out. This is another Intuit authorized host that provides official QuickBooks commercial hosting. It has 128-bit encryption, meaning your files are always secure from hackers. It backs up data about twice a day, so you don't have to worry about losing your data either. MyVao is also leading the industry with its 99% uptime, and the best part about all of it is that you get a desktop license with each purchase at no additional cost. MyVao starts at $59.95 per user per month, and it does have a 30-day free trial, which is always a plus. However, this isn't really an option for anyone that already has a desktop license. It's also not versatile in the slightest and will only be able to host QuickBooks. It's important to keep track of your business's data and operation systems, but it's also mandatory to manage your business taxes. You'll see a video on the screen discussing the 5 best tax preparers software. That video includes a bonus service if you're an individual looking to have your taxes filed for you. Again, thanks for using the links in the description below, and I'll catch you on the next video.